Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Kia Sorento. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is active and discoverable. Then, navigate to the Setup menu on your Sorento's Infotainment screen. From there, select the Bluetooth option and choose Add New Device. Your Sorento will search for available devices. Once your phone appears, select it and confirm the pairing code on both your phone and the vehicle's display. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. For a wired connection, first make sure your phone has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto enabled. Then, use a high-quality USB cable, preferably an original equipment manufacturer one, to connect your phone to the Sorento's dedicated USB data port. Once connected, follow any on-screen prompts on your Sorento's display to grant necessary permissions. Your phone's familiar interface will then appear, giving you access to navigation, music, and more. Some Kia Sorento models offer wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for added convenience. To use this, first confirm your specific Sorento supports this feature. Ensure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your smartphone. On your Sorento's infotainment screen, look for phone projection or smartphone integration. Select this option, then choose your phone from the list of available devices to establish a seamless wireless connection. If you encounter connection issues, don't worry. There are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try restarting both your smartphone and your Sorento's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting old Bluetooth pairings from both devices and attempting to reconnect can resolve problems. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is fully updated. For wired connections, always use a high-quality, original equipment manufacturer, USB cable for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.